1,000, 2,000. Oh, just counting away today. Anyways, today we're talking about Vault 67, put out by Third Man Records. This is pretty cool. This one's Jimi Hendrix, Valley of the Jams between 1969 and 1970. So they put together a collective work. Jimi Hendrix was born in Seattle in 1942. Early life experiences were both in the United States Army as well as a backing musician for the Isley Brothers and Little Richard. He was a backup musician. He was also in the military as well, too, in the Army. So Jimi Hendrix released his first single in December 1966. Then after that, this is what arose. So in this rendition, this is gonna have Billy Cox on the bass, and it's gonna have Buddy Miles picking up on the drums. So it's gonna be a different lineup than Noel Redding and Mitch Mitchell. These recordings spanned over multiple sessions in New York and London. That's pretty exciting. So in this version, in the Vault version, there's a 20-minute version of Keep On Groovin'. So I was excited to hear that. 30 minutes of just Hendrix just slashed away on the guitar. So that'll be fun to look at. All three LPs are pressed on 180 gram vibrant color at Third Man Records, pressing in Detroit, Michigan. Shout out to Michigan, right there in Detroit. Jack White knows what I'm talking about. 7-inch. The 7-inch includes Midnight Lightning, which is 3 minutes and 7 seconds, and Beginnings Take 5. So I'm excited to hear both of those. That'll be pretty fun too as well. But it came with a lot of little goodies as well in there. You know, Vault 67 tells a little bit about everything. I'll go ahead and unbox the whole goodies and show you what's inside. Got a custom patch. Got my Hendrix patch, and then it came with a bumper sticker. Gotta have my Hendrix sticker, so that's cool. But I'll go ahead and unbox everything. Obviously, you know, more Hendrix on fun colors, but I'm sure it's going to sound amazing with Third Man pressing, you know, making this vinyl. So I'm excited to dive into it. So go ahead and subscribe, and if you like vinyls, and we'll check out more. Solo.